Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add multiple rows Excel. Open your Excel file to see the data. Now select the number of rows you want to insert. When you do so, right-click on any of them and click Insert. You can see that the number of rows you have selected are added in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.